Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Brianna Simone. I just wanted to hop on and show you all my version of a soft glam look. I chose to do gold and gunmetal gray, so I hope that you love it. Okay, so to kind of get some more moisture in my face, I'm going to use my MAC Strobe Cream because my face has been so dry, like literally. I love Glossier's Future Dew, but it dissipates after a while. So next I'm going to use my Pores Be Gone matte primer that I love from Fab. I am using my Morphe eyebrow pencil in Chocolate Mousse to outline my brows. Next, I'm going to go in with my ABH Dip Brow in dark brown. Eyebrow lady messed up this brow, so I'm going in with Fenty's Hydrating Foundation in 350. Now, I have had the hardest time trying to match my face with Fenty, so I'm hoping that 350 looks good on me. And I'm going to blend that out with my Morphe M330 brush. It looks like it matches on camera. It looks like it matches in person, so we'll see. This M439 brush because I wanted a little bit more coverage because I do have a bit of scarring, and the Fenty foundation, the hydrating one, actually both of them, they are medium to full coverage, so the brush gives me a fuller coverage. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty concealer, and this is also in 350. And for contouring, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Truffle Matchsticks. I'm just going back in with my M439 brush. I love how like buttery smooth the matchsticks are. Like they just disappear. I love that. To set my under eye concealer or my highlight, I'm going to use Beauty Bakerie's Flower in the color Plantain. So I don't bake because my skin is super dry, but I am going to just pop it under here with my beauty blender. My beauty blender is still damp, so. It's like powder brush just to buff off any excess. And to set my contour, I am going to use Fenty Beauty's Sunstalker in Caramel Cutie. I really like, sorry my dog is playing. I really like the Caramel Cutie because it is a neutral tone. I'm gonna take my Morphe M330 contouring brush and tap off the excess. Sets your eyeshadow. So I'm gonna place a little bit over my lid. So I'm gonna use my Naked 2 palette. I'm going to stick with only using this one palette just because I find it hard for people to follow along with the exact look if I'm jumping from palette to palette, so we're gonna stay on one. Okay, so for my transition color, I'm going to use Tease, which is this nice mauve-y color. And I want to deepen up this area, so I'm going to use the color Snakebite. And this is going to be focused more on my crease. In this clip, I am just using my foundation and a beauty blender to clean up my outer corner. And I'm using the color Verve. So here I am using my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease canvas again. I'm just cutting my crease out just a little bit because I just want a nice subtle cut crease look. Here I am taking an all over lid brush just to distribute that product and feather out the edges. Now that we've cut that crease out, I am going to go in with Half Baked. And we're going to pack that color right on the part we cut out. Now that I am happy with the transition, I am going to put the color Foxy right underneath my brow bone. Taking my Laura Mercier Glow Powder. This is the Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow in medium transparent. I love this stuff, y'all. Like, I might have to do a review if you'd like to see it. But I like a glowy, hydrated look. So I got the glow version of this powder. And it's very finely milled. So I am taking that on my M330 brush. And I'm going everywhere except for right under the eyes. And you can just see the sheen on the skin. Beautiful, healthy glow. This powder is to apply all over your face, so you do not have to just put this in the high points of your face. You can, but I use it all over except for directly under my eyes. Here I am using my MAC Love Joy blush, and this is my all-time favorite highlighter, which is Topaz by Becca. I'm going to be using my Dodo lashes in 306. And I'm going to spray my face with my Badescu Rose Water Spray. This hair is raw Southeast Asian hair. This is my straight hair. But as you can see, it has a nice slight wave to it. I have 18 inches in. I will leave the link below in my description bar. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you can please like, comment, and subscribe. Share my video. Let your friends know about me. I am a small YouTuber just trying to grow my channel and do what I love. Drop a kissy emoji if you stayed all the way to the end. Bye.